Children, a PowerPoint presentation of Class 4 Marigold English book NCERT. Okay, children? Lesson, name of the lesson, Neha's alarm clock. Unit, punctuation. Now, children, different punctuation marks. You look to the screen, full stop, comma, question mark, semicolon, exclamation mark, colon, apostrophe, round brackets, square brackets, quotation marks, ellipses, hyphen, dash, slash, at sign, brace, and asterisk. Children, these are the different punctuation marks, but we have to go through a limited which is required for you to understand and to know punctuation marks. Now, children, here question arises, what is a punctuation? What is a punctuation? Punctuation is stops or pauses in our speech. Children, punctuation is stops. Never say it is are. Punctuation is stops or pauses in our speech. There are different stops or pauses in the sentences. While we speak, we stops in order to make others to understand correctly. Second, it is used to make a new meaning or change the meaning of a sentence. Third, there are several marks or symbols in punctuation. These are called punctuation marks. 4. These marks are directly and automatically used in our speaking and writing. So children, these are the main area of punctuation. At least you have to remember with understanding these 4 points. Now we have to go through a paragraph, a short story, and we'll mark where is the above marks, punctuation marks lies. Now children, read the paragraph and find out the different punctuation marks. Once upon a time, there was a king who ruled over Persia. Here, children, comma, once upon a time, comma, there was a king, comma, who ruled over Persia, full stop. Now children, the king presented a diamond necklace to his queen. Here, full stop, to his queen, full stop. It is the end of the sentence. Unfortunately, comma, the queen's diamond necklace was stolen. She was upset and she informed the king at once. Children, unfortunately, here it is comma, the queen's diamond, queen's apostrophe, It is a punctuation. Apostrophe is a punctuation. Queen's diamond necklace was stolen. She was upset and she informed the king at once. Okay, children, here full stop. So it is the end of the sentence. In this lines, here comma is a punctuation mark, apostrophe is a punctuation mark, here it is full stop, then another full stop in the end. Now children, take him to the forest and behead him! Exclamation mark. The thief's fate was doomed. Thieves apostrophes, doomed, full stop. Then children, a few minutes later, Sir, a mistake has occurred. He is the man who stole the queen's diamond necklace. The man who was brought in first is innocent. Kill him not, let him live. Kill him not means, dear children, don't kill him, let him live. This means this. Here is a comma. Kill him not. If you put comma after the not, it gives one meaning. Again, children, here kill him, comma, not let him live. So this gives another meaning. So from the above two lines, children, you might have understand that comma changes the meaning of the sentence. So before it was kill him not, let him live. Here, kill him, comma, not let him live. Okay, children? I think you might have understand what is this paragraph for. There is a simple story you might have understand. Now, you might have understood. Now, let's go through different punctuation marks in detail. First, capital letters. Second, full stop. Third, question mark. Fourth, exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Fifth, comma. Sixth, colon. 7, semicolon. 8, single inverted. 9, double inverted. There are others also, children, other punctuation marks, but you remember this 9 inverted 9 punctuation marks, and you could able to know more and more in the coming schedule. Now here the use of capital letters. When you begin a new sentence, you have to make first letter capital. So here it is also a punctuation mark. Next, to write the pronoun I. So when you write I in the beginning of the sentence or the middle of the sentence, children, you have to write capital letter. I think I should study for another hour. Next, to begin all proper nouns. What is proper noun? Names of people, places, months, days. So to begin all proper nouns, names of people, places, months, days. Example, Gandhiji was a great man. Okay, children? So these are the use of capital letters. Then full stops. It is a mark to end a declarative sentence, means assertive sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence. Children, In modern English grammar, the pattern of sentence, types of sentence, and its name is used in this way. Declarative sentence is otherwise called assertive sentence. Then imperative sentence, then optative. So from the sentence, style of sentence, you may know that this sentences stands for or gives this type of sense. That is, a sentence which states an idea is called assertive sentence. This is a window. It is assertive sentence. Full stop is used. Come to the blackboard. It is imperative sentence because somebody is advising, giving instruction. So when somebody gives advice, instruction, order, command, that comes under imperative sentence. That type of sentence is called imperative sentence. Then another, may you live long, optative sentence. So you might have understood that may you live long. This mode of sentence comes under optative sentence. So full stop is used in such type of sentences. If you say this is not a window, so it becomes negative. So here also it is full stop is used in this sentence. So all these sentences, whether not is used, not is not used, so those sentences comes under assertive sentence or otherwise called declarative sentence. It is also otherwise called demonstrative sentence. Children, initially it was told positive sentence, negative sentence, affirmative sentence, negative sentence, in this way. So nowadays these are the categories of sentences in modern English grammar changed. So this is all about the full stop in declarative sentence. Again, full stops are used to end on abbreviation. Acronyms, abbreviation acronyms means short name, short form. Mr. Mr. dot, Dr. Dr. dot, example Gracia E. dot G. dot, in this way. Okay, children. Next, question mark. This is otherwise called the mark of interrogation. The mark of interrogation is called question mark. Where it will be used? Use a question mark at the end of a question. Did you see that movie? Question mark. Exclamation mark. Where will we use an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence to show strong emotion. I am very upset with him! Exclamation. I am very upset with him! Exclamation mark. Use an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence for emphasis. Full stop. Use an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence for emphasis. For example, I have to go home right now! Exclamation mark. Next, use an exclamation mark after an interjection at the start of a sentence. An interjection question arises, and what is an interjection? An interjection is a word used to express strong feeling or sudden emotion. For example, wow, ah, hurrah, hip hip hurrah. These are the interjection. Children, mode of interjection. Example, whoa! Exclamation mark. Whoa, that test was harder than I expected. The note of exclamation. Children, the note of exclamation is otherwise called the mark of exclamation. Okay. Then varieties of sentences. Alas, the man is dead. What a bitter flower! What a fool you are! Then children, comma. A comma is used in 3 cases, 3 points it is mentioned to separate 3 or more words when last 2 words are connected by and. Ram, Sham and Jadhu are going to school. Ram, comma, Shyam and Jadu. So Shyam and Jadu, last two words connected by and. So in that case, in order to separate three or more words, so you will use comma. Next, to separate each pair of words connected by and. For example, high and low, comma, rich and poor, comma, wise and foolish, must all die. Okay, children? Next, to separate yes or no. For example, yes, he will come here. No, he will not go there. Okay, children? Now, children, it is your turn. You have to do a favor for me. Let's practice. It is for your practice. What have you learnt? Punctuate the following. You will do it at home. Akbar was a great king. Birbal was the minister. So where to use punctuation marks, children? You have to think. Second, there was a crow. He was very thirsty. Third, what a beautiful flower. Four, I will go to market with my father, mother, brother and sister. Five, Ram, you come here. So these are the questions you think about the different punctuation marks, where to use comma in this sentence, where to use full stop, where to use question mark, where to use exclamation mark, where to use apostrophe. So all the punctuation marks that has been described and you well understood, you will go through it and think where to use. Okay, children? The other punctuation marks will be discussed and will be put before you later on. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.